everyone, my name is Chandan Singh. Guys, as you know that I have one more channel that is Acting with Chandan, and I always make short English movies so that my viewers, especially beginners, can learn some situational English sentences. So today I am going to start a shooting for another short movie, and here I am going to play various characters. So the first character which I am going to play is of a father. So I have to become a father, so I need a kind of makeup which can give me kind of age that I should look like 50 or something, approx 45 50 years old father. So I thought that whatever I do behind the camera, I must shoot a video to show my viewers that how the shooting is done, how much hard work is done before coming to the camera. So this is behind the scene shot, and there would be some kind of footages which I'll put and I'll make a video so that my viewers can get some knowledge. This is the way to disseminate the knowledge what I have. Anyways, so my wife is going to do a kind of little makeup which can make me look like up to 45 or 50 years old. So let's get started, guys. So now I'm going to get the makeup and ready to abide by the instructions given by my wife. Okay. Is this the way or this is the way?
Okay, do. Yeah. Now it's okay.
Killing me softly, I have to choose. Should I leave or should I stay with you? I am addicted, we are too close. One more day and I'll overdose. Killing me softly, I gotta choose. Keep my life or lose myself in you. I'm so addicted, it has to end. But why do I keep?
Hello everyone. So guys, this is what I have turned out to be. Though there is no makeup item which is essential for shooting, yet whatever my wife had, she tried her level best to give me the look of middle age 45 to 50 years old poor father. So this is what I'm playing. So you can see kind of little gray beard and gray hair and kind of wrinkles here and this side. So now I have to learn my dialogues. After that the shooting will be started. So I'm going to mug up my dialogues. I will see what the emotion I have to give, and then I will start my first shot which I will show you. Stay connected, guys. Thank you. उसी पोजीशन में तुम, मैं हाथ से ऐसे करूंगा तो ऐसे रखो, कैमरा को हिलना नहीं चाहिए। शुरू करूं? ज़्यादा मतलब अक्षर कैमरा ऐसे रखो, मेरे हाथ का है प्रणाम करते रख दो वापस पोजीशन में रख दो,
सेट कर दो वैसे ही.
हाँ। Pooja, he is our only son, and being his father, it's my utmost responsibility to educate him, to give him the way better life than us, to leave no stone unturned to help him go to the zenith of the success. And you know, Pooja, when he becomes successful, all the pain and distress will die out. So you don't worry. I will arrange 40,000 rupees to buy his camera. Definitely. Hi guys. So guys, finally I have shot all the scenes of father. Now I'm going to wash this makeup off. After that I have to play the character of a boss. After that the character of Panwala Birju. Then the character of a son. So various characters are still remaining yet to be done. So first of all let me wash it off guys. So guys, I have washed my makeup off and it's already night. The time is around 9:30. So rest of the shooting will be done tomorrow. So I'll show you behind the scenes of tomorrow's shooting as well. So stay tuned, do not go anywhere, and good night. See you next morning. Yeah, hi, good morning everyone. So guys, today the character which I am going to play is of a boss of a company. So for that I need French beard. So I'm going to do that. After that I'll play that character. Then I have to play the character of a panwala, and after that I have to play the character of a son. So today whole day I'm going to remain busy. I'll show you little shots of every scene so that you can understand how the shooting is done, and it would be a kind of entertainment as well. So stay tuned guys. Thank you. Hi guys, so I'm all set to go for the shot of the boss, and I'm going to show you the setup. You can see here there is my DSLR camera. This is my umbrella light. Here you can see my umbrella light. Okay, and this is green screen behind. So I'm going to start it guys. ₹10,000. See, 6 months ago you took 30,000 rupees as advance money, and you have not repaid that amount yet. So as per the company policy, we can't help you out. You can't get any amount until you pay your previous amount. I hope you understand. So guys, you saw that how I did the acting of boss. So this shot is okay. Now I have to change the getup. I have to clean this beard only, and I just need mustache because I want to play the character of the panwala. So I'm going to clean this beard, and after that I'll go into the getup of panwala. Stay tuned guys. Ram Ram Babuji. So guys, as you can see that now I have got the getup of Birju Panwala. Okay, due to this coronavirus fear and all, I did not purchase any pan. What I purchased is this Pash, mouth freshener. So I have put it in my mouth and I'm acting as if I'm chewing pan and all, So this is all. So now I'm going to read my dialogues, and after that I will start the shoot. I don't have any pan ka dukaan. So for that what I'm going to do is that you can see the green screen behind me. So here I will shoot, and I will remove the green screen and put any pan ka dukaan type of picture so that it can give it a look that yeah, the panwala is sitting at his shop. So let's get started everyone.
Killing me softly, I have to choose. Should I leave or should I stay with you? I am addicted, we are too close. One more day and I'll overdose. Killing me softly, I gotta choose. Keep my life or lose myself in you.
Alright, Chandran Babu, come. How are you? Hi guys. So guys, finally I have completed the scenes of Birju. Now I have to play the character of a student, maybe 19-20 years old guy. So I have to remove my mustache, shampoo my hair, and go into that getup so that I can look like a student. So let's get started everyone. So guys, now you can see this getup. This is the getup of the 20 years old guy. So I'm playing this character also. So now I'm going to start my shoot. This is the last one. After that I have to edit and upload. So you can see the setup. This is my umbrella here. You can see the DSLR camera. So this is all how I'm going to shoot. So I'm going to show you how the dialogues will be spoken. Good, good, good. Give me a cigarette packet. Okay. I am. Leave it. You're just a beetle man. You won't understand. I'm doing VFX. So guys, finally I've completed all the scenes, all the characters. Shooting is over. So this is all about this video. I hope you must have enjoyed that how shooting is done. No? Behind the scenes are really very important to know. Some people have confusion that how to shoot a video. So it might help those people who are trying to make their own videos. They want to go for shooting and all. Anyways, I'll give the link of that movie in the description box. You can go and watch that video and subscribe my new channel as well. I mean, that's not a new channel, but there are not so many subscribers. That is Acting with Chandan. And subscribe this channel also, my blog channel. So this is all. Thank you very much everybody. Thank you.